My name is Carl Thomas. I'm Group Commercial Director at the Direct Business Group.
My name is Richard Straszewski. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for EB Bradshaws, based in Driffield in the East Riding of Yorkshire.
Hello, my name's Stuart Bradshaw, Joint Managing Director of EB Bradshaw Sons Ltd. I've been a flour miller for 37 years, seen 37 harvests, good and bad and indifferent. We've got a long heritage. We can trace our milling ancestry back to the reign of George III, back to 1792, and in true family business fashion, we're trying to make the place a little bit better for the next custodians of the business.
So EB Bradshaw really set the standard in their industry to achieve net zero. We've got engineers out on site this week installing the sub-metering solution. From that point, we'll be able to give recommendations to take lines off grid and ultimately achieving their targets to hit net zero.
Our sort of mission really is to continue to improve our operations, both in terms of its energy efficiency, which is a precious resource, but also our environment. We're stood here by the headwaters of the River Hull. We're on SSI, which is Site of Special Scientific Interest land. Behind the camera is a 2-hectare woodland that was planted by my grandfather. So yeah, we're custodians of so many things, trying to make things that little bit better, to have that little bit of improvement for the next custodians of the business.
DBS were a very attractive business to work with. Their approach is very open and honest. They started to present to us with information and data which was reliable, it was relevant, and we understood what they were talking about. The data that was collected proved to be very beneficial for us, which allowed us to engage in a professional working relationship with DBS. So moving forwards, we have a number of projects planned with ourselves and DBS around energy saving, and we've also got the ability now to use the system on a training and development project for our staff, so our staff really understand the complexity of our energy consumption, and now they can all be engaged in contributing towards savings in the future. These projects are all fully supported by DBS, and we are kept fully updated and informed on a very regular basis on how we are progressing against our target savings.
So the plans for the future, we are currently doing the sub-metering rollout where we'll have all assets online. Engineers are going out to site later this week and we'll be getting hopefully some really good information back from all of the assets. We are then going to be seeing what the assets are currently pulling. We had some great results in the first contract. We managed to achieve below market average throughout the duration of the contract term, which obviously led to the contract extension. We're hopeful of exactly the same second time round, and long may the relationship continue.